We are honored to introduce our chief guest of today's session, Ms. Jasleen Kaur Ma'am, Marketing Director, Apace Digital Cargo. Holding a master degree in journalism and mass communication, Ma'am has 15 years of professional experience in both print and digital journalism. As an entrepreneur, Ma'am co-founded Apace Digital Cargo, a venture aimed at advancing the cargo and logistic industry through digital marketing. Currently, Ma'am manages digital marketing for several well-known companies within the cargo sector and has received multiple awards for her excellence as a digital media partner. May I now request Ma'am to kindly address the audience.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are talking about marketing and the Gen Z. Change. What is changing? Change is something which brings new things, new process, something new progress. So change is what we should be adapted to. And today I'm not giving any speech. I'm talking about my experience, like how I changed from being in the print journalism and moving to the digital, which I have not studied at all. I was talking to everyone that I'm from this IP university. I did BGMC, and digital journalism was not part of the curriculum. But this is how the things change, and we learn from our surroundings, from our experiences, sitting with people, and talking about what is happening. We'll talk about, I started with print journalism in cargo sector, in tourism sector, in aviation magazines I worked. But then there was a need when the digital era came, and I was working in the cargo magazine. I thought that there is a need for the digital marketing for this sector, because they are already doing, they are the backbone of the economy, logistics sector. They are doing export, import, trade, everything. But what was required, they should do their digital branding. And we went to many logistics companies, even those who are, more than 100 years existence, and they did not have digital presence. So what we did not go to understand the need. We created a need for them. This is the indirect, sale, which is called marketing. We went to them and we say, you need digital branding. Logistics is not about moving containers. You should present this to the on the digital platforms. This bring more competitiveness. This builds your more visibility, more image. And we explained them. We came out with the ideas, like how can you present? They were saying, why should we do? So there is a need to create that thing. Then we started with the journey. For this, we founded the Apace Digital Cargo. And today, we are saying 99% of the clients we are working with the cargo logistic industry. Now, we don't go to them and say, do digital media. They come to us, we want to do digital media. So, these are the things we should change. These are the changes, and we should adapt to it. And for the Gen Zs, we are saying you are like a digital natives who have grown with the technology at your fingertips. So, there are also changes in terms of content, in terms of strategies. For suppose we are a cargo, we are doing 30 posts, 30 for the 30 clients, same day with the same subject. Now, how to present it? On which platforms to present it? LinkedIn, when we talk about LinkedIn, they have a different content strategies. When we talk about Instagram or Facebook, they have a different content strategies, different type of, how to present the content. So this is all we need to study. We need to experience, like what we can do. And suppose we are doing only marketing, talking about, how is the product, what is the companies doing, air freight or sea freight. This we can talk on the LinkedIn through, detailed content. When we go to Instagram, we can talk about, their shipments, how they are doing. So this is the way how we can present things on the social media. And I would say I suggest we can do FMCG, perishables, and B2C market products. This is easy to do. But when it comes to B2B, the sector like logistics, it was very difficult to convince the industry to come on board, to come on the digital platforms. So, coming to Gen Z, I would say there should be, when we do for the marketing, there is a personalization, tailor-made, customized solutions we should talk about. Gamification, we have already talked about it. So these are the things we should do. And then, yeah, authenticity, transparency, connecting to the consumer, talking about what is happening in their life, relating to that, relating to the situations what is around. That is very important. Consumer doesn't want talk to talk, they want walk the walk. So this is what they want to do. And I would say, brands, they build strong, they lasting connections with the influential generation. So influencing, this is also very important. And this is what I say, the experience I can share with everyone. And all the best. Maybe you will do more things. Like, we came to social media, there's AI, there's a lot of opportunities to everyone. So open your minds and see around what is happening. Don't restrict to textbooks, and there's a lot of things to do. All the best. Thank you.